Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Jeep Wrangler remote battery, easy method. Start by finding a flat coin and opening the fob seam carefully. Take out the old CR 2032 and note which side faces up. Insert the new CR 2032 in the same orientation and press the case halves together until they click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to confirm success before putting keys back in your pocket. Gather a new CR 2032 battery and a coin or small flathead screwdriver for this quick swap. Clear a flat workspace so nothing rolls away and set a soft cloth to keep the fob scratch-free. Open the fob gently and observe any tiny springs or clips, then replace the battery with attention to orientation. Snap the case shut and confirm the remote works before reattaching to your key ring. If the remote does not respond after the battery swap, stay calm and try a few checks. Clean the battery contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab to remove grime and oxidation. Inspect clips and springs for bends or corrosion that block contact. If cleaning and correct orientation don't fix it, consult your vehicle manual for resync steps or visit a dealer to ensure your remote is programmed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.